Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. ఒక ఆయన మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఇవ్వాల్సిన కేసులో మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఇస్తూ అతను ఉద్యోగస్తుడు వాలంటరీ రిటైర్మెంట్ తీసుకుని సార్ నేను వాలంటరీ తీసుకుని నా దగ్గర ఏం లేవు నేను కట్టలేను అంటే సరిపోతుందా? గుజరాత్ ఢిల్లీ హైకోర్టు said no. Voluntary retirement, it is not an excuse to avoid maintenance. Justice Amit Mahajan, of course, in the case of X versus Y, ఎందుకంటే భార్య భర్తల చెప్పరు, declined to interfere with the family court decision, with the family court order. What the family court said? The family court directed the husband to pay monthly maintenance to his estranged wife and children. And after some years, they have enhanced the so-called maintenance to the wife and daughter. Now, he said, my lord, your honor, already I opted for voluntary retirement. I got some money. Now I am doing only agriculture. My income is based on minimum agricultural income. I can't pay the maintenance as decided by the family court. That is his version. It is not agreeable. Even though he came to the High Court also said family court did not do any mistakes, did not done. So opting for voluntary retirement cannot dilute financial responsibility. Self-imposed reduction in the income. అంతేగా వాలంటరీ రిటైర్మెంట్ అంటే నువ్వు ఉద్యోగం చేస్తే 15 ఏళ్ళు నెల కింద వచ్చేది. వాలంటరీ అంటే ఒక 10 లక్షలు 16 లక్షలు తీసుకొని ఈ రోజు నుంచి జీతం నిల్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ self-imposed reduction. It will not be accepted on the face value. It seems, family court said, it seems to be a calculated attempt to minimize the liability of the maintenance. కావాలని చేసినట్టుందని కోర్టు అనుమానపడింది. Right. Here, the family court fixed the maintenance of some 10,000 and later enhanced to wife and daughter. Husband now argues that his means, his income is limited as he took voluntary retirement. Now he is dependent only on the modest agricultural income and pension. And moreover, he says, the wife, she is self-sufficient, she is financially independent and she is getting rental income. And she is chosen to live away from the husband. Wife says, no, your honor, he has driven me out. They have shown cruelty towards me. I was compelled to leave the house due to the harassment, due to the cruelty, and I don't have enough income. I lacked sufficient independent income to maintain myself and my family, my daughter and my son. Therefore, I want the enhancement of maintenance to be paid by my husband. But what he is saying? He is saying that he has taken voluntary retirement, he doesn't have enough money, he cannot pay that money. Now the clash has come. The matter has come to the High Court. High Court said the issue which is an examination under consideration is not on the declared income but the surrounding circumstances. Family court is 100% correct. It said you pay so and so, but the dispute is that he has lessened his income because of the voluntary retirement. He is now dependent only on the agriculture, minimum agricultural income, therefore is not able to pay the so-called maintenance. So, High Court said, quitting the job, please remember, voluntary retirement is nothing but quitting the job. Quitting the job is a strategy. Please remember, now it has become a strategy adopted by the husbands to avoid paying proper amount of maintenance to the wife. So, normally, even though the party has enough money, husband has enough money, they will undervalue their property. మీరు చూడండి, ఏ కేసులో అయినా సరే నాకెంత ఉంది, పెళ్ళానికి నేను మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఇస్తానంటాడా, లేదు ఈ నెల రాలేదు, జీతం రాలేదు, ఏదో వచ్చిందని చెప్తారు. సో నార్మల్లీ it is a tendency on the part of the parties, on the part of the husbands, to reduce or to understate their earnings. Of course, here, court has to be satisfied. If the family court is satisfied that his earnings are this much, therefore he has to pay this much of maintenance, Yes, we can't interfere because it is not extraordinary, it is not exemplary. So, the family court is justified in making this a reasonable estimation regarding the maintenance. The general perception is that able-bodied husband cannot evade his obligation of maintaining the family. He has to pay the maintenance allowance. So therefore, Honorable High Court has correctly estimated the maintenance amount and asked him to pay. No problem in enhancing the pay because the daughter has become elder and something has to be looked after to her. Therefore, the maintenance has been enhanced. Now, this man is taking the defense that he has taken voluntary return, therefore is not able to pay. High Court said, we don't want to interfere in the decision of the family court because family court is 100% right in estimating the correct value of maintenance. So please pay the maintenance. We are not going to interfere. This is what is stated by High Court. Very good judgment. Please read the case law and enrichment like a lot. I am stopping here. Thank you very much.